Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fan. And today's video is going to be about something I'm going to try. I'm going to try to take $1,000 and double it 10 times to a million. My chance is probably less than 0.01%, but I'm going to give it a go. If you could, please hit the bell notification, the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks. Okay, so before I start, I just got to say I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's my views and opinions and things I'm doing personally. So before you try anything or do anything, please do your own research. So here's my little video, what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to take $1,000 and I'm going to double it 10 times. Here's my chart. 1,000 to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, all the way to 1,024,000. That would be, let's see, don't count that first 1,000. So that'd be 10 doubles and I'm there. Maybe I throw in a bonus 11 doubles and I have 2 million. That would be fantastic. So I know the chances of doing this are very slim, but I'm doing it with cryptocurrencies. We're getting ready to go into another bull market. I think it actually already has started. So we know what happens during a bull market, and cryptocurrencies pop all over the place, doubling all the time. So the trick is going to be finding those doubles. So I've placed my first bet. I've went ahead, took $1,000, and my first coin I'm going to try to double is DYDX. And I just did a video on DYDX, just going over it. So I'm not going to really get into the nuts and bolts of what it is. But anyway, I'm going to pull up DYDX here on Gecko, and currently the price is roughly $3.39. So full disclosure, I placed my trade yesterday. It got filled yesterday. So and I'll go through the prices where I put a buy price in, it got filled, and now I've put a limit order in to sell when it doubles. So you can see DYDX, it's $3.39 right now. It's up 13% on the 24-hour. That's I like that. I'll tell you that. Right now, and you'll see why here in a minute. So we're going to go to the charts, and I'll tell you why right now. So I'm just going to minimize this, and we'll go right through it right now. DYDX, and I used Kraken to buy my DYDX, and here's the chart. I'm using the daily candle wick right now. So open this up right here. So first thing I did was I wanted to see if this coin had the potential to double, so where it was, like I said, so right in this area, it's anywhere from the low here of 284 to like 330, somewhere in there. So I was looking at it, 330. We could see it looked like there was resistance right around this 325, 330. See if it broke. It did break through. It came back down, tested it, 20-day support, 20-day moving average held as support. Now it's rebounded. Here we go. I think, this area of $4.30 is going to be some resistance. We might have a little resistance again up around. Yeah, I say between the $4 and $4.30. But after that, you can see this was within 2 months, it dropped, from $7 all the way down. Let's see. That was April 4th. June 4th was right here. So pretty much, 2 months and 2 weeks, we'll just call it 10 weeks, that thing dropped from $7 all the way down to like $1. That's pretty quick downward movement there. Usually what goes down quick will come back up pretty quickly. So if I put it right in this area, I'm around, that's probably a month and a half left to go. So this really could go up, by the middle of January. Like if it goes by this $4.30 resistance, by the end of January, this thing could be back up to $7 easy. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take a chance on this if the prices move in my favor down here. So I was watching it. I ended up placing a buy order, looking at what I'm going to open this up real quick so you guys can see. So that blue number over there, $3.04, that was the 20-day moving average. So when I was looking at placing my price, I ended up putting a buy order in at $2.98.5. So 2985, and it filled. And once it filled, I put a stop loss order in, because if something happens and this just goes sideways and the bottom falls out of it, I don't want to lose all my money. So I'm just hedging my bets. So I put a stop loss order in for like $2.68. I did roughly 11% below my entry price. I'm getting out if it goes below, 11% of my entry price. And I kind of picked that by just the price actions here. It was fairly close to the 50-day moving average. So those are the things I use, and that's what I decided to go ahead and get in, and it filled. And then, as you can see, and I filled that yesterday. You can see the range today is $2.91 to $3.50. It actually went down to we'll go back to the chart real quick, but it went down to like $2.80 something cents. This wick right here, the bottom of it was like $2.87. So I gave it a little bit of breathing room. So, but not too much, because if it went below 11% or so, below this, 50-day moving average, it was going down. It'd probably go down to $2. Who knows? So I didn't want to just let it ride. So my order was filled at $2.98. And as of right now, I hit it. I hit the timing just right. As of right now, my portfolio is up like 13%. It's just under 13%. I can't believe it. So, hey, I'm already over 1/10 of the way there to my first double. So we'll have to wait and see what happens over the next couple months. See if this thing actually shoots up to $6 or so. I actually already have my limit sell order in. I set it for just a little over a double, which a double would be $5.97. I set my sell order for $5.98 to see if I can get it doubled. Everybody, you have to stay tuned. So hit that bell notification, subscribe. All of that will really help us out. Plus the bell notification, you'll get notified and subscription when I go ahead and put another video out, let you know what's going on with my 10 to a million. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Take care.